Okay, today we're going to clean up the governor, and how we're going to do that is this product here from Blaster. Now you're supposed to have, when you use this, a clear container. Well, I don't have a clear container, so I'm going to show you guys what to do with these old antifreeze jugs. Pretty useful. But we cleaned it out. I got my water here, 1 gallon, and what we're first going to do is we're going to take this apart so we can get every single part soaked. Alright, here we go, there we go, and there we go. Okay, so we got all the parts off. That's what they ask. Okay, now for best results, for example, if you have light rust, that's 2 hours. Medium rust, that's 8 hours. 24 to 48 hours until rust is removed. We're going to do the 24 hours because I want to make sure that these governor balls are free, because like I said, we got one stick in here and it's got a lot of grime in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off. Reason why I picked that area is because you have this little indentation here, so you can follow that as your guide all the way around it. Okay, like so. Now, don't throw this piece out, because later what you do is you put a screen in here, and then you can siphon all the material out. And the reason why you want to do that is because this can be reusable at least one more time. So we'll reuse on her, save a few bucks. Anyways, we'll get you set up here. We'll pour this in first. About half. Okay, now we'll get the water. Here we go. Now we'll put the parts in there. And we will let her do the things that she does to get the corrosion off, all the chemical magic. And then when we get home, it'll be ready to go. That's it, guys. That's Blaster Metal Rescue Rust Removal Bath. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. Later.